2, 3! All right, hit it with the fight song!
Good morning, South Kitsap. I'm Audrey.
And I'm Riley. Happy homecoming, SK. There's a lot of fun things coming up, so listen up if you don't want to miss out. Want to take it away?
Sure, let's get right into it. And of course, the big news today is, of course, homecoming itself. Tonight is, of course, the big game against Emerald Ridge, but many of us are already looking forward to the dance tomorrow night. However, the first step in celebration is the pep assembly this afternoon. As you likely know, already, we are on an afternoon assembly schedule, which means the rest of the schedule is adjusted. Lunches today start at 10. Yes, they are still 30 minutes long, and yes, you still have 5 minutes to get back to class, so you aren't marked tardy. Now, if assemblies aren't your thing, we have some alternatives. Take a look on the screen. These teachers are offering alternatives to the pep assembly to those that need it. The same list will run on the Commons TVs. Many teachers are offering quiet zones while others are giving time to work on classwork. We will run this list again at the end of the show. For those joining the fun in the gym, this is the seating chart. The small bleachers will have seniors and juniors, while the big bleachers will have sophomores and freshmen.
If you're going to disco the night away, you need to take care of business today. All students have until 3 p.m. today to get your homecoming tickets. No ticket, no dance. They are $12 a piece with ASB and $14 without. If you miss your opportunity, there are no sales at the door. Tonight, a new king and queen will be crowned, and if you want to stay in that, time is running out on that too. Let's meet your candidates.
I'm Joaquin Bearfield, and a fun fact about me is that I did karate for 6 years.
I'm Sarah Brader, and my fun fact is that I play volleyball.
My name's Tyler Kuntz, and one fun fact about me is that I like to run.
I'm Aiden Nunamaker, and one fun fact about me is I love spring season.
I'm Jordan Lee, and a fun fact about me is I caught this wolf.
I'm Renee Wallace, and my fun fact is that I love to live, laugh, and love.
My name is Preston Collins, and a fun fact about me is that I have a missing front tooth.
I'm Brianna Vergoots, and one fun fact about me is that I love s'mores ice cream.
My name is Brendan Burke, and a fun fact about me is that I love going to the gym.
My name is Serenity Gainey, and I've been a varsity athlete all 4 years of high school.
Hi, I'm Ripley Elberfeld, and I'm the current president of D&D Club.
I'm Cole Newcomer, and my fun fact is that I've lived half my life out of the country.
My name is William Buck. A fun fact about me is that I own a turtle.
I'm Marielle McGowan, and I can ride a unicycle.
Voting closes at 2 p.m. In other words, right at the end of school and 1 hour prior to your last chance to buy tickets. If you're planning on going to the game tonight, remember that your ASB cards get you in for free, so if you purchased ASB, be sure to bring it. Backpacks and outside food and drinks are not allowed into the stadium, so please leave those at home. Most importantly, come join the student section.
Hey Wolves, this is Haley.
And I'm Bree.
And this is Student Section Etiquette. Here's a few rules you need to know. First off, seniority is a thing, so if you're an underclassman, please respect your seniors and move to the back.
Rule number 2, be loud, be on your feet, and join the chants.
And rule number 3, always participate in the spirit days. Don't be the odd one out.
And last but not least,
be respectful to our team, their team, and everybody else on the field.
And please clean up your trash. Have fun and
go Wolves! See you next game!
If you can't come to support tonight, consider supporting your classmates in other ways. There's no better way than by eating cookies. The senior class is hosting a crumble cookie takeover on Tuesday from 4 to 7 p.m. at the Gig Harbor store. Keychains are $5 with a keyring and $3 without. Besides pride in your school, the time of year is also a good time to think about your future, and the Career Center is open to help you with just that. College visitations are well underway with the University of Arizona and University of Colorado presenting. On Monday, Whitman College and Clove Park Tech will be there Tuesday. Everyone likes money, so why buy things twice?
Hey guys, I'm down here at the security office where things are really piling up. These are all the sweatshirts, hats, water bottles, and all kinds of different articles of clothing that have been left around at SK. There's even some lunch boxes that have been left. There is so much, in fact, that they're running out of room. Everything you see here is being donated to charity today after school. Not tomorrow, not next week. Your stuff is leaving today. So if this is yours, or this yours, or anything back there is yours, please come down to the security office and pick it up today. Back to you guys in the studio.
Thanks, Alejandro. Shifting gears, last night the ladies golf team got a big win. Led by the 10 points of Morgan, the ladies almost tripled the score of Puyallup. Morgan paired both of the par 5 holes she played. Kennedy and Brooke added much needed scoring to secure the win. The freshman volleyball team beat Clahalia's C team 2-1. Ladies soccer faced first place Sumner, but came up short going 0-2. If you like to play a sport rather than just hearing about them, believe it or not, winter sports are just around the corner. If you're interested in joining basketball, bowling, wrestling, or men's swim and dive, sign up today on the athletics website. Don't forget, you must have a current sports physical to be eligible to play, and many doctor's offices have a long wait times to get in. Schedule yours ASAP. If you're playing basketball, open gyms will continue next week. They'll be back to their regular dates and times, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday from 5:15 to 7.
In the wild world of clubs, the first meeting for the new Chaos Club will be on Monday in room 212 right after school. If you like chess or playing strategy board games, this is a club just for you. Auto Tech Club will have the first meeting on Wednesday. If you're in beginning or advanced auto mechanics, you are eligible to join. See Mr. Watson or Mr. Williams for more info. Builders of Unity will also begin meeting on Wednesdays, which is a change from last year, after school in room 228. They are looking for a whole new group of students interested in human rights. They will be planning the Kitsap Youth Rally for Human Rights, which will be out by students on Olympic College in the spring. There will be drinks, snacks, and games at the club meeting too. There are no clubs meeting today, but there are plenty meeting Monday. Those meeting Monday are AP Action, Athletic Medicine, Chaos, International, and Magic the Gathering. Remember, if you're looking for information on clubs such as times and meeting locations, check out the SK webpage for a complete list. All right, South, we have the fun day and weekend ahead of us.
Stay safe out there and use your head. I'll probably just jinx us. But it's looking like the Mariners may clinch a playoff spot this weekend too, breaking a 22-year playoff drought.
Happy Friday, South. And, hey director, can we get the fight song again?
Sing it loud and proud, South. See you at the game.